Okay, the very first product we're going to start off with is this one by a car that we received. And this is here is just a little lip balm. I'm going to go ahead and just apply that to my lips. And then for primer, I also did use the Tarte Poreless Primer because we do not have a primer to test out, which I also think will go really well with the Tarte foundation that we're going to be putting on right now.
Oh, shit.
I took off my brow. Crap. All right. Brow is back on. We are back and good to go. This is a pretty small sample size, but it is supposed to be super full coverage. We'll go ahead and start off with that much, which is quite a bit, but I'm going to work in sections. We'll start off with this side of the face and see how it works. Oh yeah, it is totally clinging to my dry patches. Oh my gosh, it is coming off right there. What the freak? My mom's super dry skin, but she was like, you might like it. Maybe she was drunk when she recommended this because this does not look good. Definitely not a fan of it. I can tell you guys right now, that's a no-go. How am I going to salvage this stuff? I'm going to go in and I'm going to take a little bit of the Light Wonder by Charlotte Tilbury. Okay. Thank the Lord. Okay, so I went ahead and I applied concealer underneath my eyes and I did prime my lids with concealer also. I just used my Too Faced concealer. Let's go ahead and use this Hanalei lip scrub. Now that we're scrubbed, it feels really soft actually. I'm going to go ahead and go back in with the Akar lip stuff and I'm going to apply it. So my eyes are primed and ready to go. We're now going to start off with the Too Faced Holy Grail Fun Sized Palette. This is the one that I got. If you guys haven't seen my unboxing for Ipsy, I'll go ahead and link it down below for you guys, or at the end of this video, I'll have a little card and you guys can go over and check it out. This one is from the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the very first shade, and I'm actually going to take this right in the crease area. The colors in this palette are very reminiscent and very similar to the colors from the ABH Modern Renaissance. Let me pull it out. Do you see just how similar those are? Like there's so many similar shades there that if you don't have this palette, you're not completely missing out. You could definitely recreate this look with me as well, just using your Modern Renaissance palette. So, okay, now let's go ahead and dive into this rich cranberry shade. And I'm going to take that in my crease area, and I'm also going to bring it inward into the actual eyelid just a little bit, and probably leaving about half of the eye open. Okay, so as you guys can see, I went ahead and I cut my crease already with a little bit of concealer. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back in with that cranberry shade, and I'm going to blend out the edges really quickly before we go in with our shimmer shade. Let's go ahead and take this shade first. And we're going to apply that all over the lid, and then we're going to leave just a little bit on the inner corner. Oh my gosh, that color is beautiful. And that is no setting spray or anything, you guys. Now I'm going to go in with the very lightest shade on the inner corner, and I'm going to take that all the way through. And I'm also going to use this as my inner corner highlight, I think. Now I'm going to take a short shader brush and I'm going to take this chocolate brown and I'm going to apply it along my lower lash line. Now let's take the orange tone shade and run that along the lower lash line to give more of a smoky effect. I'm going to tell you right now, I absolutely love this palette. I think every color in here that I've played with so far, minus 1, 2, 3 shades, are completely amazing. There are only 3 shades in the palettes that I didn't use, which were more of a neutral color, but like the brighter, more pigmented colors blended out so nice. That cranberry tone is something I am totally living for, so I can definitely see myself playing with this again. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pop on some liner, and I'm going to pop on some lashes, and I will be right back. This is the mascara that we received in our Glam Bag box also. This is the Unlashed Mascara by Wander Beauty. I already did use mine for my lower lash line, and this is the one that I own. I do want to say, though, that I really do love this mascara. I think it's a really great mascara. If you were looking for volume, you're definitely going to get it. This is something I really do like, though. I really think it's a really great formula, and I think you guys will like it, too, if you guys got it in your box. Oh, shoot! I forgot to add this to it. Crap. Let's go ahead and add just a little bit to the center of the lid. Darn it. I'm going to go in with the Naked Cosmetics Heavy Metal loose shadow. We'll go ahead and put it right in the center of the lash of the lid right there. It's really pretty, actually. Okay, for blush, I'm not going to go with anything too pink because I got enough pink going on the eyes. But I'm going to take a little bit of a color, something to give me a little bit of flush on my cheeks. I'm going to go in with my Z palette. I actually talked about this. You guys are going to see this on Sunday. I did a Shop My Stash and I pulled out my Z palette because it had been a while since I used it. So this here is in the shade Heartthrob. I do believe this is a Makeup Geek blush. Really pretty, really soft. It has a little bit of a sheen, but if you have texture on your skin, it won't show up, which is a really nice blush too. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply this on to my cheek area. I'm just using this blush brush. So for highlight, we're going to be going in with the highlighter. This here is the Ofra Cosmetics highlighter in Rodeo Drive. Now, this one here is brand new. This has obviously got the new packaging. I do own another one. I actually own 2 of these because I love this highlighter so much. But the one that I have is actually from their older packaging. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this one because I think I might put this in a giveaway bin for you guys. This highlighter is so beautiful, you guys. The only difference between mine and the other one is obviously the packaging, but I mean, it's just, do you guys see how beautiful that is? Like, I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the setting brush by Real Techniques. Oh my gosh, I just love this highlighter. Let's move into the lips. We do have 2 lip products that we got from our Ipsy bags. We got the Vasanti Matte Crush Lip Pencil. And then I got the Blush Serum, which is a lip and cheek cream color that looks like this. So we got these 2 products. So here is the final look. What do you guys think? Let me know what your thoughts are on the products that we used today. As for the foundation, weirdly enough, right now it looks fine. I think if I was to mix this along with that or some lighter consistency of a formula, it would be bright. So you can definitely tell that I'm wearing makeup, but my skin looks flawless. So I don't know. I'm kind of torn. Well, damn, I don't know now. But otherwise than that, I feel like everything else looked really great. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys aren't subscribed yet, so you guys can be a part of my family. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. I will see you guys later, and I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Bye.